Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the super simple and my super blended watercoloring method using Afsisterwig's 13x6 lace frontal wig in the color 613. The packaging came with the hair, of course, 2 wig caps, 2 combs, and an elastic band. This hair was full all the way to the ends. This is the 16-inch, again, lace frontal wig. There was no tangles and minimum shedding. This is a sponsored video. The lace was already bleached. There's free parting, so you can part along the middle, the sides, or you can pull this up into a high ponytail or bun. The inside construction included 3 combs and 2 adjustable straps, just in case you need the wig to be a little bit tighter fitting for you. To start out, we're going to tint the lace using 3 tea bags. Because this lace is transparent, you want to make it as close to your skin color as possible. So I just went with the tea bag method, which is basically just letting the lace sit inside for about 30 seconds. And as you can see, it's a tannish color, and I'm gonna shampoo with Shimmering Lights and condition with the HSI oil conditioner. I will tell you guys that in this video, it was a little harder to weave out the pieces because the hair is wet. In the last video with my watercolor method, the hair was dry, so it was much easier to pull it up in the different sections. It wasn't impossible, but it did make it a little more difficult than before. So it will take a little bit of patience if the hair is wet and you're doing it this way. So what I'm doing is just weaving out different sections of the hair and pulling it up into a ponytail. And this is a method that I just kind of came up with. I didn't see anyone else do this, or I haven't seen anyone do this method before. I'm not sure if someone has, but I haven't came across anyone that's done it this way before. But the reason why I like doing it this way is because when you're weaving out pieces and you're putting it in different ponytails, then you're getting the different shades of the color in different spots in the hair. And I really, really like this method. We're using the Adore Clover. And when you're applying color with a brush, you always want to feather it up and down, again, because you don't ever want to have a line of demarcation when you're doing colors. So just always remember to use a feathering technique, which is what makes this super blendable, because you're going to feather it up and down and then, you know, make it a little darker on the ends. The major key to doing different shades of color when you're watercoloring is that you always want to use shades that go from light to dark. So you don't want to use the same type of tones when you're doing watercoloring method, because one will overpower the other. So like if you were doing, like I'm doing green, so I'm going to do a dark green and a lime green. So I'm going to do a shade darker and a shade lighter, and that's what brings the super blended color to a perfected color. Okay guys, so you can see right here how I was saying that one color needs to be lighter and then one color darker, because when I dip all of the hair, most of the hair in that light color, it won't overpower the dark ends that we went in with the green. And it just wasn't enough green in the hair for me, so I did go through and feather. And so we've dried the hair, so this hair has been shampooed, it's been conditioned, it's been colored, and it's still holding up really well. There isn't any shedding going on. And now we're gonna just go in and we're gonna do some loose beach waves. This is, again, if you guys have always wondered how the celebrities have this nice beach wave look, this is how they achieve it. You just kind of go through, hold the curl a little tight, and then slide it off near the ends. All the details and the link for this wig will be below. This company has the 13x6 lace front, as well as they carry full lace wigs, and all those details and descriptions will be below the video. If you guys have any questions for me, you know, of course, I'll be sure to answer them for you. Other than that, that's enough of me talking. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Okay guys, I know I said I was done talking, but look how beautiful this hair is. However, I did not look right with it curled, so I went ahead and straightened it out, and here's the finished look. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I'm gonna ask that you go ahead and do so. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media at hair_baptism by Lena. Talk to you guys later.